Here's some vitamin B12 trivia. Subscribe. What is the primary function of vitamin B12? Is it A, red blood cell formation, B, weight loss, C, eye health, or D, immune response? The correct answer is A, red blood cell formation. What type of vitamin is B12 classified as? Is it A, water-soluble vitamin, B, fat-soluble vitamin, C, mineral, or D, protein vitamin? The correct answer is A, water-soluble vitamin. Which group of individuals is at risk for B12 deficiency? Is it A, athletes, B, diabetics, C, vegans, or D, children? The correct answer is C, vegans. What is the main role of B12 in the body? Is it A, nerve repair, B, immune response, C, skin elasticity, or D, DNA synthesis? The correct answer is D, DNA synthesis. What is a common supplement that contains vitamin B12? Is it A, fish oil supplements, B, multivitamins, C, calcium tablets, or D, probiotic capsules? The correct answer is B, multivitamins. What is an effective method of B12 administration? Is it A, intravenous infusion, B, rectal suppository, C, injections, or D, topical cream? The correct answer is C, injections. Which form of B12 is commonly found in supplements? Is it A, methylcobalamin, B, pyridoxine, C, folic acid, or D, riboflavin? The correct answer is A, methylcobalamin. In which part of the intestine is B12 absorbed? Is it A, ileum, B, jejunum, C, duodenum, or D, colon? The correct answer is A, ileum. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.